Hello students, welcome to Smart World School of Complete Education. Let's study chapter number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Jijamata's wish. The 23 forts which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of the Mughals. Kondana was one of these 23 forts. One day Jijamata said to Shivaji, Shilba, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondana fort in enemy hands. You must recapture it. Shivaji was thinking on the same lines. He was very unhappy that Kondana was back in Mughal hands. Both Shivaji and Jijabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started making his plan for the recapture of Kondana. Who could be entrusted with this task? It was very difficult to capture Kondana. Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrathe near Mahad in the Konkan. He was ever ready to put his heart and soul in any work assigned to him by Shivaji. Tanaji was strong, well built, and as clever as he was brave. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. Kondana's marriage first. Tanaji was busy making preparations for his son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with marriage preparations. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought he would go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. Accompanied by Shelar Mama, he went to Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. On receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama, Shivaji said, Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of persons like me? Like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessing for its success. Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji took charge of the campaign and left for Kondana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Uday Bhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Uday Bhan was a disciplined and a vigilant officer. There were two chances to the fort. Both were heavily guarded by Uday Bhan's men. How to mount an assault? Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. On the western side, there was a steep precipice where there were no guards. Tanaji decided to attack from that side. He explained his plan to his younger brother. He said, You take a detachment of 500 troops and try and reach the Kalyan gate. With another 300, I shall scale this precipice and get inside the fort. As soon as we are there, we shall throw open the doors of the Kalyan gate. Then you step in and join us. Together we shall destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort. With the plan thus finalized, Suryaji and Tanaji went their different way over the precipice and into the fort. It was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice. The sound of the crickets could be heard all over. 5 or 6 members of Tanaji party started to scale the precipice. It was indeed very high and steep, but somehow they managed to get a foothold in the rock, pulled themselves up by pushing their fingers into rock crevices, and began the difficult and dangerous climb. Slowly but surely they reached the top. As soon as they were on safe ground, they tied a thick rope to a strong tree and let it down the precipice. The others took hold of the rope and climbed up to the top like monkeys. Tanaji's value. By now, Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. He waited there for the doors to open. The battle on the fort started. Udaiban heard the attack. The battle drum was sounded. Udaiban garrison attacked Tanaji men. A grim battle between the two forces in the light of dancing torches. The Maulas opened the door of the Kalyan gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaiban attacked him. Both were very brave, and the battle between them was fierce. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied his upper garment round his defending hand to parry Udaiban's blows and continued the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. When the death of Tanaji The Mavlas found themselves without a leader and began to retreat. By then, Suryaji and his men arrived on the field of battle. Suryaji was deeply grieved to know that his brother was dead, but he had no time for grief. He had to continue the fight. He cut off the rope by which the Mavlas had climbed the fort. Then he stood in the path of retreating Mavlas and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the rope by which you climbed up. The only choice before you is to either jump to your death over the precipice or to fight back and to fight and destroy the enemy." So the Mavlas returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. A fierce battle raged. The Mavlas ultimately conquered the fort, but in the process had lost their brave and lion-hearted leader Tanaji. Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with grief. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence: "The fort is won, but the lion is dead." So Kondana became Sinhagad in the memory of the great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. This event took place in 1670. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrate and performed the wedding of Raiba. Let's look into the exercises. First, color the circle. Color the circle of the correct option. A. Tanaji was the resident of this place. The options are Mahad, Umrate, Chiploon, and Ratnagiri. B. Uday Bhan, appointed by Jai Singh, was the chief of Dash Fort. The options are Purandar, Kondana, Raigad, Pratapgarh. C. The name of Tanaji's brother was. The options are Raiba, Suryaji, Murarbaji, Firangozi. Write the answer in one sentence. A. In whose hand was the Kondana fort? B. What did Jijamata say to Shivaji about Kondana? Who took the charge of the campaign of Kondana? 3. Write the answers in 2 or 3 sentences. What did Shivaji say on receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama? B. What was Suryaji say to retreating the Mavlas?